All right, so you want to do deals with me. Sadly, January 1st of 2023, I decided I'm not doing deals with non-community members. Now, what is my community? My community are the SubTo students, the Gator students, and the top tier TC students. What we found is I can do 5 deals with SubTo community members while I can only do 1 deal with a non-community member in the same amount of time. Why is that? Well, because they're trained. Sadly, YouTube is kind of all over the place. We're gonna be releasing video to here and there, and it's gonna be a little bit out of order, except for this playlist. So we found that the best thing to do is to tell you, hey, I'd love to do deals with you. If you are in the SubTo community, just email underwriting@pacemorby.com. I have a full-time underwriter. His name is Bo. Put his picture right here. Bo's awesome. Bo is my full-time asset manager. He looks at every deal, and we'd love to tell you how to structure your deals. Just send him an email and say, hey, I'm in the SubTo community, Bo. Here's my deal. Will you tell me how to structure it? Will you tell me where I'm right? Will you tell me where I'm wrong? And more importantly, will you tell me how you would like it presented to you so that Pace and me can do a deal together? If you are not in the SubTo community or the Gator community, then go over to our free Facebook group and find my students. Find the people who are trained by me, trained by my team. They will do deals with you. And with that momentum, I hope to do deals with you in the future. My goal this year is to do over 1,000 transactions. Last year we did over 1,000 transactions, and I hope some of those transactions are with you. This YouTube channel is gonna help you a lot. More importantly, the free Facebook group will help you even more. And our podcast on Monday, 7 p.m. will be a live way for you to come in and ask me questions in a format that's a little bit easier than just Instagram DMs or maybe even YouTube comments. So if you wanna do deals with me, jump into one of those places, the free Facebook group or my Instagram DMs, or jump into the Elephant Challenge where my students will actually lead you into getting leads, hopefully converting those leads into contracts, and then doing deals together. I can't wait to see how you grow. Please make comments on the videos that you end up watching. This channel has been built for 3 years. We've made over 2,400 videos, and I promise you, I get people that DM me and say, my life was changed, and if you take action on the videos yourself, your life will change too. We'll see you in the next video.